Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Robertinah in case you're new here, and what you're seeing here is footage of the beautiful place that I got to spend time with my family for my birthday and to also just take a break from the busy life. This is the Naromoro River Lodge. It's a really beautiful place, so quiet, so serene, tranquil. I mean, it's really peaceful. There's a river right next to the cottages, if you can see it over there. Yeah, so actually if you keep watching, I took a short clip of the flowing river so that you guys can also feel the experience and how the environment is really cool and refreshing. Also, towards the end of the video, I have an unboxing for the Mama Toto wrap. I also do a demonstration on how to use the Toto wrap on you. Yeah, and I hope you're going to enjoy this video. If you do, give it a thumbs up, share with a friend, leave a comment, give an opinion. Let me hear what you think about it.
Happy birthday, dear Tina. Happy birthday, dear Tina. Happy birthday, dear Tina. Kata keki tukule sasa. Kata keki tukule sasa. Kata keki, kata keki, kata keki tukule sasa. Keki sio ugali. Keki sio ugali. Kata keki, kata keki, kata keki tukule sasa. May you have many more. May you have many more. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Thank you so much. Kule keki.
Wow, Lincoln. Lincoln karibu anza kusema wow, keki.
Kweli. Ndio maana mnaongea mnasema chapo. Hapo mnanyamaza. So ugali.
That was wonderful.
Thank you.
Yeah, that was very wonderful. Thank you very much, guys.
Welcome. Okay. Alright, so that will click it. Lincoln. Good boy.
Good.
Haya. Hata sijui niita nani.
Chef Mary.
Wow.
Chef Jackson.
Oh, hiyo ndio timu iko
Yeah.
iko in charge, eh?
Yeah,
very
John,
good. You are making
John.
very nice meals.
With
Yeah.
Sharon.
Sharon. And James.
Yes.
Mwenyewe.
Baba yao.
And then Imani, you're going to Imani and yours.
Sasa.
Thank you so much.
Welcome. And may you have many more.
Many more.
Enjoy your birthday.
I will. Thank you so much.
Sasa, thanks guys.
Welcome.
Kumbe mama chakula tamu.
So, hiyo.
And nani?
Photographer baadaye yake.
Photographer.
Photographer.
Ni baadaye yake.
Photographer atakula kubwa. Hii ni yako.
Hiyo si ni kubwa sana. Mkono yangu si vizuri.
Thank you very much.
Welcome.
Yeah.
Welcome.
Thank you. That was nicely executed.
Thank you.
Yeah. Yeah. So I think.
Yes.
Eat lunch at what time? 2.
I'm thinking you were made for me. Isn't it my birthday yet? Cause I gotta say, you're looking like a gift for me.
Yeah, so that was the whole birthday celebration. It was just us and the staff at Narumoro River Lodge. It was really amazing. They got me by surprise. I knew it was a birthday weekend, but I wasn't expecting birthday songs, birthday cakes and all that. But I'm really grateful for that time. Yeah, and we had our lunch that day. We ended up spending the entire weekend there, and it was really amazing. So anyway guys, I didn't manage to take a room tour, but what was outstanding was this high ceiling, and it was really unique. Gives the room a really nice touch. You feel like the room is really spacious even when it's not that big, but these rooms were really big, so you can imagine big rooms and high ceilings. It was really relaxing and a nice, a nice experience to get away from home to come to experience. Yeah, I think without so many words. That's what I'm trying to say. Yeah, so this is the package that my Toto wrap came in. The company is called Kangaroo Care. Yeah, that's what I was trying to remember, by Toto Wraps Kenya. And basically they send you this baby wrap you tie around your body, and you're able to place your baby inside, and you can comfortably walk around without feeling the weight of your baby. You get your arms free to do other things, and it's really amazing. I've been using it for almost a month now because I got it on the 23rd. Yeah, and it's really helpful. It's really helpful if you're a new mom and you just want to carry your baby around when you're maybe going for a walk outside or just within the house. Want to exercise and your baby you want to carry your baby, you can always use one of these. I got 2 of them. I wanted a black one, and this is what it came with. A black headgear, which is really cute, and a smaller one for the baby. My baby is a girl, so that's why they sent one for a baby girl, which is also in a favorite color of mine, and that is the mustard color. It's so cute when you see the baby with it. It's really beautiful. And yeah, the second wrap is in the color maroon, and this one is going to either be sold or be given away. I'm still debating on what to do with it, but I think I'm going to give it away as a way to show appreciation to my fans here on YouTube. And yeah, for you to win, of course, you have to subscribe, so you better subscribe now as I work out on a strategy on how we're going to find a winner for the next for the second Toto wrap, as you can see here. So yeah, that is all that came in. I'm going to show you in the next videos how to tie it. It's a really challenging, it's really challenging to get it all done correctly in a way that your baby won't fall down, or it won't be secure to hold your baby in place, or maybe get you feeling uncomfortable. So the Mama Toto wrap owner very graciously sent me a demonstration video on Instagram, and it really helped me because I was doing entirely different things from what she sent me, and I learned. Now after learning, now that's when I was able to do it correctly, and it's really been helpful this whole time. So what you're seeing here is me on a different day, same dress. I love this dress so much. We actually now back at home, and I'm going to do the demonstration for you guys so that you see how it's done. And I love that you can use this wrap as a fashion statement, as you're gonna see me try. Yeah, and what I may add is that you need to have someone to help you, because it's not easy to do this all alone. You need to have someone, maybe a nanny, your sister, your brother, or someone who is just close to you. And in my case, this is my husband. He came through for me, and we were able to tie it well and securely put the baby in and get her snugly and cozy and just feeling, all kinds of goodness. So that is Lincoln right there. He loves to play a lot around me. I think just like any other 2.5-year-old out there. Yeah, so I'm really happy to have him. He makes my days, and he's a really happy chump, and I'm grateful to God for him. So guys, thank you so much for watching. If you're still watching up to this point and you haven't yet subscribed, so please go ahead and subscribe. And I hope to see you in my next video. Put the notification bell on so that you get notified whenever I upload a new video. Leave a comment down below. Check the description for details, for further details that I may have skipped during this entire video. So right now I'm going to leave you with a lot of love from my heart, and wish that you do well and succeed in everything that you do in your life. See you in my next video. Bye.
Second chances, they are nothing for right. I like it all with the cherry on top. Be one of the things I love, the things I love, the things I love, the things I love, the things I love. Be one of the things I love, 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 the things I love. Be one of the things I love. Get in my way now, don't be shy. We'll be here dancing day and night. Get in my groove now, don't be shy. Cause I got this list of my favorite things. You could be the part where it all begins. You could be the first and the second and the third and the rest of it. You could be one of the things I love. Sunday morning breakfast with my bedroom door locked. I like everything that has a cherry on top. Get on my list of the things I love, love, love. You could be the one I trust. All the second chances, they are nothing for right. I like it all with the cherry on top. Be one of the things I love. We don't have to move so fast, baby, I will show you how you can catch my vibe. And right here we got so much time, looping in the blurry lights. Get in my way now, don't be shy. We'll be here dancing day and night. Get in my groove now, don't be shy. Cause I got this list of my favorite things.